Today we are in Katima and we are visiting EU-funded projects run by Red Cross, which is focusing on mitigating climate change and improving livelihood of local people.
And they're doing so through using renewable energy, as you can see with drilling boreholes for the garden and the elephant stoves.
The gardens here are doing so great that even hippos are interested in them, which causes a little bit of a problem here.
Well, more than a little bit.
Well, yeah, I mean, a hippo is more than just a little bit. But the way to really protect yourself from a hippo is you just need a little fence, because hippo can't jump over it because it's so heavy.
Wow.
Really at no cost.
The other part of this project is about building what is called elephant stoves. These elephant stoves are more safe and also more efficient than the traditional method of cooking here. What's really amazing about those things is that they are built out of local materials, so they basically cost nothing. It's only clay, way and hard work of people here. And what's really interesting is that women are these who are building the stoves, because men are not interested in cooking.
As an African woman myself, I'm very proud of other African women, because I feel like African women are the hardest working women ever. Like, they really put their backs into it, whether it is in agriculture or in an office job somewhere or wherever. And here is no different. These women are taking care of their families by building these elephant stoves.
I got the lamps because I built the elephant stove, and then they gave me this. We use it to light in the houses. We charge because we don't have power, electricity, so we use it to charge every day. The young ones, those who are still at school, they are using it to study, night studies.
Because the stoves are more efficient, they use less wood, which, you know, saves the environment, saves the trees, and is good for birds. Birds?